Atlanta from New York.
Yes.
Moving to the great city of Stonecrest. Mr. Johnson and Mr. Simon,
Yes.
new homeowners, welcome to Atlanta from New York.
Yes.
Moving to the great city of Stonecrest. So I know when we had the conversation, we talked about embracing your emotions.
Right.
So to sum it up for us, how you feel about it? Like, what was the experience like?
I had a really good experience here working with Jamal. He's an excellent realtor. I felt really comfortable working with him. It was very emotional. It was hard times, low times, but he pointed me in the right direction on exactly where I should be at, and with all of my knowledge of what I wanted and what he was able to actually provide for me, we put our heads together and we came up with a beautiful property, and I'm extremely excited. I can't wait to move in. He's an excellent realtor, and I just thank him so much.
Well, thank you for that. I'm very happy for you. I'm excited. We're not done yet. I think we're friends now.
Right, definitely.